Okay, this video is to show you how to add your basement and then how to put a theater room down in your basement. So with kind of tiered flooring. So first thing is once your main floor is done and even your second floor, then you can add your basement. So again, to add the basement, you go to build, floor, build foundation. And this is the key thing here. If you want to actually have a basement you can walk down in, you're going to need more than 3 feet, 1.5 inches. And so we're going to make that 100 inches, which is just a little over 8 feet. And then hit OK. That'll take us down into our basement. So I recommend thinking about your floor plan here a little bit and where stuff's going to be, where are your stairs going to be, etc. So let's say our stairs are over here. We're going to do a theater room, say over here. And we'll label it as such. So I'm going to go to general. I'll just call it living, but then we can go in here and uncheck that room and say the label in that we want. So that's a theater room. Now from here, what I want to do is think about where the door might be. Let's put it down here at this end. We'll make it even double doors. And then we're going to go to the invisible wall and we're going to start to put in kind of sections here. Okay, so you're going to walk in. This will be your main floor. The TV will be down here eventually. And then you'll go up. And so each step maybe we'll go up 8 inches or so. And so we'll go to structure. And then the ground level of the floor is at -108.58. So let's move that up to just 100. We'll say OK. So now we'll go up 16 inches this time. So we'll go to say 92. And then finally we'll go 24 inches. So say 84. And then let's take a look and see what we got. So notice how it's kind of leveled like that. You can start putting couches and fancy chairs and recliners in there. Let's put some carpet in here. So let's go to double click in the room, go to floor finish. We're going to need to insert some material. So 2 inches of carpet here would be good. And then let's go to flooring and carpet. And then you can decide, what you like. Let's kind of do like a combination of red and black. I think that'd be kind of cool. So I'll tell you what, we can always change the color in a little bit. Oops. And then we can paint the walls, or we can put drywall in there to fix those. I'm going to change the color of my carpet. So I'm going to kind of go alternating. Once I find a good red. I'll go with that one there. And then I want to find a black. And then let's go with, let's get some darker colors on the walls here. Let's go with this storm color. So you can kind of see we're making progress here, and then ultimately we need to put in a big screen TV. Let's go flat screen. We'll put in a massive TV down here. So there's our TV. Now let's put some couches in. So let's go vibrate, and we'll do some lights too. We'll do some lighting along the floor. But let's go to seating. Kind of like those, kind of like that recliner. We'll see. We'll look at a few more here. All right. Well, this video is to be continued.